Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the virtual internship website where you can enroll yourself for virtual internship. So let's get started without further ado. So first website is Bharat Intern. Bharat Intern is a good website. I have also completed my virtual internship from this website. They are offering virtual internship services in different domains like Java developer and web developer, full stack development, Python developer, and many more types of domain. They are apps giving services to students for free of cost. They are not going to charge any of the extra cost. And second virtual internship website is that Code Alpha. I have also completed my full stack development internship from Code Alpha, where I have learned and explored many of the new technology, and you can also learn and explore from the new technology. Code Alpha is also a good edtech platform where you can do your virtual internship. And when you completed your they give you a task, and when you complete this task you have to upload your all the task while recording your video, 1 minute video, or upload yourself all the task and repositories link on LinkedIn profiles. After reviewing your task, they will give you the recommendation letters and a certificate, completion certification. This is going to be help you out in throughout your coding journey and your software development profile job journey. And third, a virtual internship website is that Internpe. You can also do your virtual internship in many different domains like data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence. They are providing almost all types of internship. All types of internship, the intern pay is charging some good amount like 2 to 300 for their recommendation letter and certificate of completion. And Bharat Intern and Code Alpha are not going to charge you any of the cost. They are free of cost. You can enroll, you can complete your task. After they will review your task, and they will give you the recommendation letter if you have performed very well. And fourth is the let's grow more edtech platforms. They Because this is a platform where I am currently doing my Java developer internship. In Java developer internship, they have given me three projects to complete within 1 month period, and I have received and I am completely doing the project work, that is online reservation system, one project where you have to use your Java language skills like Spring Boot, Spring and Java Spring JSP, and many of the Java servlets. Why you also have to complete complete it with your JDBC for database storage. And the second project is that they are given number guessing game. In number guessing, I have uploaded recently number guessing game on my LinkedIn profiles. You can check. I am going to share the link in the video description. And fifth website is that fifth website is something I forget, but I am going to give all the all the website link in videos description, so that you can check and you can enroll yourselves. If you find this video is helpful for yourself, please share the video and share as many as people can get benefited from this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.